So here's the big question. Do you actually need separate winter tires anymore? Because the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady is making a pretty bold claim. This tire promises year-round confidence in rain, light snow, dry pavement, and everything in between, without the seasonal tire swap headache. And after digging through expert testing, owner feedback, and real-world performance reports, I'll say this right now. This tire gets a lot closer to that one tire does everything dream than most people expect. But it's not perfect. And depending on where you live, there's one major trade-off you need to know before spending your hard-earned cash. Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady is an all-weather touring tire from the legendary R lineup, designed primarily for sedans, crossovers, and family SUVs. Unlike traditional all-season tires, this one carries the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake certification, which basically means it meets higher snow traction standards typically associated with winter tires. And that's the key selling point. This tire is aimed squarely at people who live in places with mixed weather. Think rain, occasional snow, cold winters, but not necessarily extreme blizzard conditions. If you're tired of swapping between summer and winter tires every year, this is designed to simplify your life. Goodyear Assurance Weather Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in the real world? Honestly, this is where the WeatherReady starts to make a lot of sense. In wet conditions, the grip is excellent. Multiple tire tests consistently praise how planted and confident this tire feels during heavy rain. Hydroplaning resistance is one of its biggest strengths, and that matters way more than most drivers realize. On highways during storms, the tire stays surprisingly stable and predictable. And in snow, for an all-weather tire, it's genuinely impressive. No, it's not replacing a dedicated winter tire for deep snow or icy mountain roads. But for normal suburban winter driving, commuting, grocery runs, light snowfall, it performs way better than your average all-season tire. Acceleration traction feels solid, braking distances stay manageable, and cornering confidence is noticeably better than standard touring tires. Here's the thing though. The trade-off comes in dry road sharpness. Compared to sportier touring tires, steering response feels a little softer. It's comfortable, smooth, and quiet, but enthusiasts looking for aggressive cornering performance might find it slightly numb.
Features and tech. Let's talk about the tech that makes this tire stand out. First up is Goodyear's weather reactive technology. Basically, the tread pattern adapts to changing road conditions using evolving grooves and biting edges. That sounds like marketing jargon, but the real-world benefit is simple. Better traction when roads suddenly go from dry to wet or snowy. Then there's the soybean oil-infused tread compound. And yeah, that sounds weird at first, but the reason it matters is because it helps the tire stay flexible in colder temperatures. A flexible tire grips better in winter conditions, especially compared to standard all-season compounds that harden when temperatures drop. Another standout feature is the sweeping tread grooves designed to evacuate water and slush quickly. Translation? Better hydroplaning resistance and more confidence during heavy rain. Design and build. Aesthetically, the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady looks purpose-built without being overly aggressive. The tread design has deep grooves and dense siping that immediately signal its all-weather intentions, but it still maintains a refined touring appearance. It doesn't scream off-road or winter only. Build quality feels premium too. The sidewalls are sturdy without making the ride harsh, and road noise is impressively controlled for a tire with this much tread complexity. Pros. Excellent wet weather traction and hydroplaning resistance. Eliminates the need for seasonal tire swaps for many drivers. Strong all-around confidence for family vehicles and commuters. Cons. Premium pricing compared to standard all-season options. Still not a true replacement for dedicated winter tires in extreme climates. Final verdict. So who is this tire actually for? If you live somewhere with unpredictable weather, rain, cold mornings, occasional snow, and you want one tire that can confidently handle all of it,
the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady is honestly one of the smartest choices in the category, especially for commuters, families, crossover owners, and people who just want peace of mind without managing two separate tire sets. Now, if you're an enthusiast who prioritizes razor-sharp handling,